welcome to part 2 of my Scratch tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be exploring jobs, operators, sensing, events, and many more. And much more. Okay, so this was where we left off. Right. So let's talk about events. So that was actually much more to when Blackbird and when Space Key Press. There's also with the sprite. Uh, so you want to do this part at the starting, and let's just go start instead. And you want to do this with the sprite script. Right? And actually, let's just change to meow because that's what cats do. So play the birthday song. And I'll just change it to 10. Right? And we can also have something like say hello. Right? You can make it say whatever you want or play whatever, or move 20 steps, wait more, wait less. Uh, Teaching you how to make changes to the cat. Okay, so this is select. You can use select. Just move it around, and maybe in the individual parts. So you can group and ungroup your different pieces of art. So they made the eyes separately, then they made the nose, the mouth, the face, the whiskers, and then when they just grouped it. And they also made the leg, the body, the arm, the other leg, the other arm, and the tail. And of course, you can just group it into one. You can use the fold tool. So you want like over your color, or you could just select the whole thing. I don't know if this part thing. Yeah, no, that. Uh, yeah. So I also want to tell you about this. This is the actual tool or color picker, right? And then you just fill it in. That's done. These are pretty self-explanatory. Just write stuff. Uh, you can make lines. You can make oops, make a circle. Make a square. Instead of fill, you can even like have an outline like that. Right? There's so much you can do. So yeah, thing we can like paint some stuff. So I made a studio. A studio is a collection of projects, usually with a certain theme. So I made the Scratch Tutorial Studio. So just post the link to your project, and I'll just add it to that studio. And to project, I will be sharing this, and you do that. Uh, the Scratch tutorial. This is not the first project one. This is just an advertisement. Okay. Next, we'll explore sensing. Touching mouse pointer. Right. Then we'll have if touching mouse. Go to 0, 0. Oh, sorry, not 0, 0 because it would already be there in the repeat 10. go to negative 100 and 0. So we'll just wait for it here. Oh, sorry, we need to put it. See, it went back. But what if? Let me show you something else. Sorry. So now it's not going back. So you want it in a forever loop. So it should be checking forever instead of like just that one time. See? There's touching mouse pointer. There's touching color. If two colors are touching. These are pretty self-explanatory. These are be telling you what those are. So the distance to the mouse pointer. See, it changes. And also, whoops, distance to, like, if there's like another sprite, do that. And touching can also have edge, so touching the edge of the screen, and you can even have touching another sprite. So you're gonna be making a simple script. So let me just choose a sprite. So let's say it's an apple, right? Let's set the y to 0. And what are all the x's? 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna go one flag left over, sorry, go here, and then it should always be checking if it is, oh sorry, if it is touching the cat, which is sprite 1. If it is touching sprite 1, then it should go to, right, oops, it should go to where the cat is going. So if it's the cat, it should be following the cat. So it seems as if the cat is holding the apple. And now I'm going to be introducing you to a new block, repeat up to, so it will keep repeating until well, a certain action happens. That will be touching the apple. So it's gonna keep moving, so it sees the apple, then walks towards it, and then until it has touched the apple, it won't stop, right? And it should be going. See? But the problem here is go to the sprite means that it's going to the center. And let me show you where the center is. Center is right there where the plus is. It should go here, right? And also, when it does that, it should switch costume back to costume 1. Right? So now I'll introduce you to operators. So we can see that go to the cat, then let's go to the cat plus extra step. So that's where the plus comes in. We still have to go to right. This is the very first color. Wow, that's really slow. Okay, so we want to have variable called cat x cat's x, right? Because there's no way to know the exposition of the cat. It is only accessible to the cat right here. So we can what you can do is oh my god, my neighbors. Oh, okay. So what you can have is for cat to the exposition to its exposition, which means the exposition of the cat, which is what I want. And this will be changing for so around cat moves, the apple goes along with it. But we have to make the apple go along with it doesn't do that yet. So it should go whatever the cat's x plus something like, I don't know, 15. So cat x, let's try it, right? It works. We should probably make the apple a bit smaller since their size comes up 15. Yeah, that's just the good size. You can even go here and set change size by 50 or set size by 50%. You change the color. It just changes maybe the lightness or something like that. So if you want a green apple, you can have. If you want like the yellow apple, golden apple. Maybe if you make it brown, it's gonna be rotten apple or something, right? And you can set it back to something clear graphic effects. There's not only color, but like brightness, pixelate, fisheye. Experiment with these yourself. And when you clear it, it resets everything back to zero. Right? And let's try. Is there? Okay. So now we're gonna see why does this not work. Hmm. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, so this needs to be no forever. So touch this button forever goes on with it. Sorry for that silence. See? It's kinda there. You can just change it a bit if you want. You can maybe change the Y a bit and then change the X to a bit. Right, so I want you to experiment with that. It's also minus, times, divide. So pretty easy. Experiment with these yourself. Okay, so now see this button share. So you can basically just share it with anyone you want. It's right there. And then you just give your friends the link and then that's it. Okay, so I'm going to be creating a new project. It's going to be based on the operators. And this is the main point of my project other than backdrops. So maybe this video could be called Operators and Backdrops. So choosing a new backdrop. Maybe. Some other thing. That's pretty cool. Wow, that's just really slow. Okay, so I'm flat. Well, it's gonna uh I'm gonna be making a program that just takes one number, takes like another, and just adds them together. So if you wanna ask, enter first number, right? So first number, right? And we want it to be saved as a variable. So A is going to be a variable. Uh, at the start, we can set it to 0. And we're also going to be needing a variable b for our second number. Setting that to 0 as well. Okay, so set b to 0 and then ask for second number as well. But, how do we make it so that the user entered, that's going to be the value of a. So we can have set, set, so set to answer. So whatever the answer, it's set to that. We're gonna have ask second number, second, number, and then you just set B to the second number. So set B to answer right there. And then we just want like an C. And now we should set C. Whoops. It should stop barking, dog. Well, my recording is super messed up. I think I need a take two, but I've already gotten so I don't want to do it again. So it should set C to well C. Now, but what I do is fine. Have you change that. You can also do a slider like that. But uh, so it's so you can just right click and then you can choose the A plus B. I want you to like set to A minus B, A times B, A divided by B, A1. This returns the remainder if they're divided, right? That could be useful for checking if a number is even or odd. First number, let's enter 5. Second number, let's also enter 5. And it returns us 10. This is foolproof, can enter whatever. And this returns the number. This and something that I wanted to point out, if you don't enter letter ABC and DEF, it'll just it'll not return anything. But if something like power, would just return ABCDEF. So if you code it before, this might seem a bit weird. Rules of multiplication. So something like maybe ABC times 3, ABC, 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 0. You can't multiply strings. Basically any letter or character that you enter, that's going to be, those are called strings. And there are numbers. The numbers are just integers. If you enter a decimal, and the like true or false is called boolean. And the key space press, but press the space key and click it, that would be true because I just pressed and true with the lowercase t and after the lowercase f. So it's not the case in Python. And well, that's okay. I want you to just choose any background you want and then just remix the first project and this, let's just call it the math project, right? And I'm just going to be sharing this. Okay, so now I'll just go here and you know, if you make your own studio, just go to My Stuff and New Studio, so you can add by URL. You can choose to allow anyone to run projects, but I don't want to do that because someone could just spam projects and it's going to be a pain deleting them. So I'm going to choose to us. So instead, I just went with the option that people can spam the links and then I'll have to see every single project. That just increases their views until I see their actual project. So maybe that's even more of a pain. So I don't even know if this was a good idea. So, so I'm going to be adding. Oh, share. Okay. This is all of my other projects. If you want to check them out, you can. You can. And some other projects for better current projects that I uploaded, they aren't that good. So I'm going to be adding and math. God. Okay. So do share your own project. You just say